guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne. For everyone who's new here, welcome to the family. And in today's video, we are going to be updating this boring mirror in the cabinets, basically adding a little razzle dazzle. And if you're interested in seeing what I did in the transformation, keep watching. Okay guys, so right here we're going to start off with these DIY mirror wall stickers that I found on Amazon. And initially I was kind of on edge when I heard stickers. I read through the reviews. They were pretty good reviews, but I still was, kind of on edge on longevity, how well they would stick and so forth. Once I used them and I actually start putting them up, they stick very well. I will say they're not forgiving, so once you place one down, and you have to be very gentle with removing them because they will break. Other than that, I absolutely love them. I was going to use the beveled glass to do the frame around my mirror. Y'all know I'm cheap. They wanted, I think it was like $25 for a pack of not even 20. No thank you. So this was $20 for a pack of 60, and I didn't even use all of them. And as you can see, my mirror is pretty long. Guys, I am so pleased with how this turned out. This mirror is giving updated Versace, okay, designer mirror. No guys, but it does have a plastic film that has to be peeled off, so you can't really get the mirror effect yet, but I'm about to peel it off, don't worry. So right here, all you got to do is, gently pull them off and bam. Okay guys, so y'all see the struggle I'm working with these cabinets, right? They gotta go. So they're just brown. They look worn down, everything. So y'all know me, I'm either paint or spray paint. I ain't getting nothing new if I don't got to. But so right here, I'm just going to tape everything off, because one thing about it, I'm not getting no paint on these brand new marble floors that we just got done not too long ago. Okay. So I just want to tape everything off, make sure everything is covered. Usually with this paint that I'm using is the Valspar cabinet paint. You don't need to rough sand or degloss or anything like that, but I just like to give everything a quick rough sand just in case I have any nooks and crannies that I want to smooth out, just so the paint goes on nice and clear. And honestly, I just move that stuff back in my cabinet. It's all right. But yep, so I just rough sand everything, and then after I'm gonna just wipe it down and start painting. Okay guys, after I'm painted for 16 hours, I'm finally ready to install my handles with the placement tool. And of course that is to line up your holes to make sure you install your handles correctly and evenly. So I made the markings, and then I'm gonna use this drill with this drill bit. I think it's like a 3 1/16 inch drill bit. And I'm gonna use this to install, well, make the holes. Make sure y'all got a good drill, because this drill was giving me the blues. Damn! Y'all see what I mean? The blues. But I'm back and better than ever, right? I said, oh, I got that first one done. Now I'm about to get the second one, right? Wrong. So I finally said, forget it. I had to pull out the big dog. So I went to go get this, I think it was like the electrical hammer, but you can also use it as a drill tool too. So that's what I did. So guys, say hi to my best friend. Hey, one thing about it, every time I'm doing any type of DIY project or anything, I'm always on the phone with my best friend. When I say we in different states, but we always doing stuff together, she gonna be right there on the phone every time. Hey, best friend.